Namaskar and Salam. In this video, we will take the letters Lām and Mīm. The first letter Lām represents L sound and letter in Hindi. Just like the majority of other Urdu letters, Lām also has 4 different forms: detached, initial, medial, and the final forms. Only this part of the letter Lām is used when it comes in the initial and the medial forms, and the size of the letter also gets smaller in the initial and medial forms. The detached and final forms are similar. Let's take the different forms of the letter Lām. Here in this table, the first one is detached, as you find in the alphabet sheet. The initial form looks like this. The medial form looks like this. And here in this picture, the green circle shows where the previous letter will be connected with Lām, and the red circle shows where the following letter will be connected. The detached and the final forms are more or less the same, except the final form is attached to the previous letter. The detached and final forms are significantly bigger in size than initial and the medial forms. Let's now take some words. The first word is lad, meaning fight. It is the root of the verb ladna, to fight. The spelling is Lām plus re, lad, lad. Here Lām takes the initial form because it is the first letter and it is connected to re, and re takes the final form. The letter re is connected to the lower part of Lām. So Lām plus re, lad, lad. The second word is kalam, that means pen. Here Lām comes in between 2 letters and takes the medial shape. The spelling is Qaf plus Lām plus Mīm, kalam, kalam. The first letter Qaf takes the initial form, which is connected to Lām, that takes the medial form. And the last letter Mīm takes the final form. Qaf plus Lām plus Mīm, kalam, kalam. The third word is chal, the root of the verb chalna, to walk. Here Lām takes the final form. The spelling is che plus Lām, chal, chal. Che takes the initial form and connects with Lām in the middle because Lām is the final letter, and it takes the final form. Che plus Lām, chal, chal. And the final word is dal, meaning lentils. Here Lām comes as a detached letter. The spelling is dal plus alif plus Lām. Here all 3 letters are detached. The first one is dal and the second one is alif in the function of Hindi a matra. It will not be connected because dal is non-connector, and then Lām will also not be connected to alif because alif is also a non-connector letter. Lām will be written separately as a detached letter. So dal plus alif plus Lām, dal, dal. Here are all the words we have taken with Lām. The first one is lad, where Lām comes as the initial letter. The second one is kalam, where Lām has the medial shape. The third one is chal, where Lām has the final form. And the last word is dal, where Lām comes as a detached letter. We will now take the next letter, Mīm. The letter Mīm represents M sound and letter in Hindi. Mīm also has all 4 forms: detached, initial, medial, and final. Only this part of the letter Mīm is used when it comes in the initial and the medial forms. The detached and the final forms are similar. Let's take different forms of the letter Mīm. Here in this table, the first one is detached, as you see in the alphabet sheet. The initial form looks like this. The medial form looks like this. And here in this picture, the green circle shows where the previous letter will be connected with Mīm, and the red circle shows where the following letter will be connected. The detached and the final forms are more or less the same, except the final form is attached to the previous letter. Let's now take some words. The first word is man, meaning mind. Here Mīm is the first letter and takes the initial form, which is connected to the next and the final letter noon. The spelling is Mīm plus noon, mana, man. The second word is chaman, meaning a garden. Here Mīm comes in between 2 letters and takes the medial form. The spelling is che plus Mīm plus noon, cha, mana, chaman. You write the initial form of the letter che, then connect it to the medial form of Mīm, and the medial form of mim will be connected to the final form of noon, the n sound. So che mim noon, cha ma na, chaman. The next word is gham, meaning sadness, sorrow. Here mim comes as the final letter and takes the final shape. The spelling is ghain plus mim. The first letter ghain will take the initial form and will be connected to the final form of the letter mim. So ghain plus mim, ghama, gham. The final word is naram, meaning soft. Here mim comes as a detached letter and takes the detached form. The spelling is noon plus re plus mim, narama, naram. So you write noon as initial, then connect it with re as medial or the final. It is the same shape for re. Since re is non-connector letter, the next letter will be written separately. So the letter mim will be written separately and it will take the detached form. So noon plus mim plus re, narama, naram. Let's now take all the words with mim. The first one was man, where mim comes as the initial letter. The second one is chaman, where mim has the medial shape. The third word is gham, where mim has the final form. And the last word is naram, where mim comes as a detached letter. In our next video, we will take the letters noon and vav. They represent na and va sounds and letters in Hindi. And the letter vav also represent o, u and au matras in Hindi. See you there. Namaskar and salam.